n'emisango kubanga naawe time yejja bino ebikyani byambuka ng'oli emmere ossa etime naawe egenda kujja naawe ojja kubanga tiwenyeenya tosinga apoosoddeewo eyafa yeera kimugirwa mu kufaako ekisigwe wafaamu wekisigwe wafa mu accident akasajja kalina omutima mubi naye nkasabire Katonda akasaasire naffe abanyivu Mukama atusaasire naye kisinga byonna Pastor Iga wumula mirembe tukwagala nnyo era tukwagaliza obulamu obulungi eyo gy'ogenze. The English bite.
Yeah.
I think Pastor Iga has been one of the best preachers that made our... It's not a joke. And seriously and honestly, how can another pastor come out, celebrate the death of another pastor? Even the heathen don't do that. Even the witch don't do that. But the witchitic spirit that you have in your head has completely defined who you are, where you are, what you are going to be, and who you will be. And because of that hate, I want to assure you, my brother, Senyonga, your time is numbered. God is looking at you. I may not have a gun, I may not have power, but we have a God that we call upon. He has no respect of people. You have no tithe of heaven. I promise you one single day. Some things you have said today, you reap them tomorrow. You cannot celebrate the dead. And I call upon all born-again Christians. This is not a way of life. We don't condemn the dead, and we don't speak evil against the dead. But in authority that God has given us, we shall endeavor to consolidate our discipline in times as this. But when we see Senyonga anywhere, whether on party or on wedding, make a noise. Woo! Kasajja kako kasenyo mukaze. Woo! Huyo! Bonna mu supermarket. Woo! Tujja kubora n'ekikacho tukibore n'abaana abo tubabole. We will make sure we boycott everything you do at this moment. But we are hurting and we are so saddened by the death of our brother Iga. It is so sad. May his soul rest in peace. Baba ina sere kino kyenjagala gamba Senyonga. Baba yagala sere ngina ozimuwa. Muwadde obukadde ataada njabu kime. Munaku nnyo kyekyogeza abanaku. Enkutawo za Rwanda za kinaku. Muwadde obukadde ataano. Senyonga wowe bwagala obukadde ataano. Nkwegayiridde n'olunaku lwa leero. Jangu mbukuwe. Jangu mbukuwe osirikeko. Naye mmwe mwasuse. Ofuula ng'omwana omuto. Democrat.